Hello everybody, this is the Bolivarsum. We're going to unbox the new AK-Racing chair. This is the pretty boy, a big knife for a big box. Yeah, getting first. Oh, look at this beauty. And here is the heavy stuff. A little pillow. And the Technic Lego. Quick assemble guide. I think this is going to the middle. Everything is in place. This is it looks like. You can see this is not too pretty. Here's the next step. And it's complete. Let's take a look around. This is, I hope it will disappear or something. It's not good packaging or something like this. It's great. And it's very big. Man.